Unveiling the magic of have and has in present perfect tense. Hello language learners! Welcome to another engaging session. Today, we'll be diving into an important topic in English grammar, the present perfect tense. Specifically, we will explore the role of the auxiliary verbs have and has. Mastering these verbs is essential to understanding this tense, and it will boost your English skills greatly. So, let's get started. Auxiliary verbs, also known as helping verbs, are crucial in English grammar. They help to form different tenses, moods, voices, aspects, and so on. In the case of the present perfect tense, the auxiliary verbs are have and has. They team up with the past participle of the main verb to express an action that has happened at an unspecified time before now. Choosing between have and has can be tricky, but here's the rule. We use have with I, you, we, and they, and we use has with he, she, and it. For example, I have visited France 3 times. He has completed his homework. Remember, it's all about matching the verb with the subject correctly. The present perfect tense is formed using have, has, plus the past participle of the main verb. A past participle often ends in ed, but there are many irregular verbs that have unique forms. For instance, regular verb, I have worked in this company for 5 years. Irregular verb, she has gone to the concert. Note that in both cases, the action is in the past but has relevance to the present. In casual English, you'll often see have and has contracted with the subject. For example, I have can be contracted to I've, and he has can be contracted to he's. Here are some examples. They've forgotten their umbrella. She's left the party early. And that wraps up our discussion on have and has in the present perfect tense. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering these verbs and their usage. So, keep practicing and you'll surely get the hang of it. As always, thank you for joining us today and keep up the good work in your English language journey. Until next time, happy learning!